In today's lesson, you learned about when to capitalize certain words. In today's activity, you will be dragging and dropping words to their correct category. Each of these words is repeated twice. Only one of the words is correct. They are either supposed to have an uppercase letter or they are not supposed to have an uppercase letter. You need to drag the word to the correct column. The words that are incorrect should be left off to the side. Let's do a couple together. If I look at the first word, Mrs. Gold, I know that Mrs. needs to have a capital M, which tells me that Mrs. Gold is not correct. So I'm going to leave it off to the side. I'm going to go down to friend. Friend has a lowercase f. I know that just the word friend does not need a capitalized letter. So I'm going to drag friend to the lowercase column because that is correct. If I keep looking, I have zoo. It's just zoo. It's not giving me a name. So I know that that is correct. It should not have a capital Z. So I'm going to drag it to the lowercase. Let's look over here off to the side. Over here, I see again Mrs. Gold. This time it has a capital M for Mrs. and a capital G for Gold, her last name. Those are both letters that should be capitalized, so I'm going to drag it to the uppercase column. Again, the words that are incorrect, leave them off to the side. You are only dragging the words that have the correct capital or lowercase letter. You need to finish the rest.